the function given above, let's take a look at the function. That's y is 2 times x minus 4x plus 4. Now we know that that's a parabola with the intercept form, so let's just review parabola. Y is ax squared plus a bx plus a c. That's called the standard form. And number 2, y is a times x minus h squared plus k. This is called the vertex form. The vertex will be h comma k, just like slope intercept form of the equation of line. Y is mx plus b. You know that this is a slope and this is a y-intercept. So you gotta understand the coefficient and constant and what they mean. Okay, now third one, that's intercept form. That's x minus p times x minus q. Now here we call this intercept form, but this tells you only the x-intercept right away. So the x-intercept will be p and q. How do we find this? We let y equal to 0 to find the x-intercept. That is 0, a times x minus p, x minus q. So either x minus p is a 0 or x minus q is a 0. So we know that x is p or x is q. Now, knowing this, now let's take a look at our question. That's a y is 2 times x minus 4 and x plus 4. Now again, just like other questions, I haven't talked about the a value. So a is the leading coefficient of x, the parabola, or the coefficient of x squared. This is also a, and this is also a. We know that when a is greater than 0, it's u-shaped. When a is less than 0, it's upside down u-shaped. And this is our a. So here a is 2, it's greater than 0. Therefore, this will have a u-shape. Now, 2x intercept. Okay, so we let 0 equal to x minus 4 and x plus 4 because we don't have to worry about the a value here. So we know that it's a 4, and from the second one it's a negative 4. So let's graph it. Just a rough graph. Let's draw it at the bottom here. So this one, we know that it's a U-shaped, and that's a negative 4 and 4. So if you graph it, it will look like this. Okay, so how do we find axis of a symmetry? Axis of a symmetry will be halfway here. So that will be x is equal to negative 4 plus 4 over 2. Hey, that's a 0. So in fact, this was your y-axis, and this is your x-axis. So how do we find the vertex? That's when x is equal to 0. So what's going to be my y value? You plug in x equal to 0 to the equation, the function given to us. So let's put it in this way. Y of 0, that's a 0 times negative 4 times 4. So that will be negative 8 times 4. So that's negative 32. So negative 32. So let's answer the question. Okay, the function will have minimum value because it is U-shaped. The minimum value, the lowest point of the y value, the function is negative 32 when you plug in x equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0.